Thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini ni ruguritie mutaratara wa thikũ 30 wa kuhurana o ũndũ ũmwe na kuhukia njohi njikirire mikana
and counterfeits.
Akiruguria mutaratara uyu minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Fred Matiang'I ni arutite mukana mururu kuri maabitha a wathani wa matura aria marekuruhania na unyui wa njohi na kwaga kihariro mbere ya muingi, akiuga maabitha aya ni kihingica kinene hari haro eno.
The chiefs and assistant chiefs in some cases, and you know this yourself, are people who actually are meant for rehabs. How can you enforce the law? How can you enforce this when you yourself are supposed to be in a rehab? But there must be discipline. Because if you're a drunken DC, you're wobbling around. How can you enforce what we are saying?
Akiariria giikaro kia tafariri a mihang'o ya thirikari kuma kaunti 47, Matiang'I ni oigire gutire mundu ukumuguoyohia mihang'o-ini yake ya gukinyaniria kioneki giki.
In 2016, when we started this fight around illicit brews, the count for the 5 years that had ended was that 30,000 of our young people had either gone blind or died out of consumption of the harmful drinks.
I want us to remove from the system all these drunken chiefs and assistant chiefs and DCCs and SCCs. I really do not mind, even if we remove 500 or 600 of them and employ new chiefs and assistant chiefs.
Ihinda-ini riu Matiang'I ni acakaire na kaunti ya Kiambu, akiuga niwe tongorete gitaro-ini gia gatagati wa bururi hari unyui wa njohi ici undu umwe na dawa cia kurebia, riu agiathana munini wa county commissioner wa Limuru gutigithio wira.
In some cases it's chronic. You know, Mr. Wanyanga, you know this Ruaka area here in Kiambu, and so many other places that are pointed out where we have serious challenge. So there's a case we were dealing with here, Osia, you know, of a DC here in Limuru or someplace. I want him gone, and all those kinds of people. Let's remove from our system these people, because if you are a drunk yourself, na umevaa crown ya serikali, sasa utatusaidia namna gani? I mean, how you are wobbling to a barasa?
Matiang'I ni orotete maabitha a borithi amwe ni kunyitanira na arugi na endia a njohi ici, riu agiatha atabariri a mibango ya thirikari na county commissioner kuhariria riboti ya mitugo na mirutire ya wira wao.
Be hard on the DCCs, the SCCs, the chiefs and assistant chiefs. I mean, our ministry is not going to be a rehab where kazi yetu ni kupeleka watu hospitali wa employees who are abusing alcohol.
Oho Matiang'I ni orotete uheani wa marua mairafu hari kihingica kinene hari gukinyaniria bara ya njohi cia ibango.
Because of the hunger for revenue by county governments, bars and drinking places being licensed in residential areas, behind houses and so on. But you see, they are chasing revenue at the expense of the lives of our people.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wajiko.